Right, hello everyone and welcome. I'm Jonathan Ragsdale. I'm the co-director and choreographer for In the Heights. This is Maia Plevin. She is my associate choreographer. And this is your tutorial video for our dance audition. So this is our movement portion, which is for all of the characters that don't do a lot of dancing, but everyone's going to move a little bit. So we're going to start with a section from Carnaval Del Barrio. And how we're going to start is with the elbows kind of in at the rib cage and the hands out in a nice little credit card hand. It's like a fist with the thumb on the outside. And we're going to start by rolling the shoulders and doing some little back ball change, starting on the right foot. So if we go back, ball, change, back, ball, change, two more, back, ball, change, and back, ball, change. From here, we're going to step forward on the right foot and flick and pivot, step up stage, step through 1, 2, flick and pivot, step down, and together you're going to have 2 claps, clap, clap. Then we're going to do a traveling triple step cha-cha. So we're going to start on the right. We're going to go right, left, right, left, right, left, travel to the right, together, right, together. We're going to do left, right, left, right, left, right. Only 1 step together this time, left, together. Then we're going to step up stage. On the left foot, open the hands out. Step together, flip them over, and then all the way up over your head. Boom, for a nice pose at the end. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8.